here. Welcome back to my art channel. I decided to convert my dining room, living room space into a little art studio for you guys. So without further ado, hope you guys enjoy watching me organize. This is gonna be my whole new film setup. I'm super happy about it. So I have all this cabinet space to work with. I've kind of just stuck some stuff in there already, and it just, bleh. So scary to me. I don't even want to look at that right now. Let's just close this up. These are the little organizer things that I got, and I got all of these from Walmart. This one's from Mainstays. This one, also the same brand. I would suggest going to the dollar store first, and they might have some stuff at Ross and Marshall's, but I'm kind of scared to go there because there's just so many people. I should be more scared of Walmart, right? I don't know. There's a lot of people at Marshall's these days though. Yeah, that's what I'm working with. This looks like a freaking mess right now. So just to give you guys a glimpse, if you are curious of what the space looks like, traditionally, yes, you would have your little dining area right next to the kitchen over there. But since I'm doing things a little bit differently, I'm gonna have this area over here kind of be my dining entertainment area. Right now, it's just a disaster. Let's see how these look. That looks pretty sharp. Plastic bins will actually be perfect for the paint. Yeah, I'm really loving the way that these are looking for the paint area. I did originally get this for the paint too. I really feel that this is calling for me to have my drawing supplies in it. I have my OG little pencil boxes. I still love these so much. I highly recommend this. They're cheap, they're just fabulous, and they do the trick. These are gonna end up going in one of those bins over here. Be my little colored pencil section. I'm gonna stick this in here. I wanted to see how these look in here because I think this would be a really cool spot. Yeah, I feel like that kind of works there. Most of these are just regular colored pencils. The ones that I just put away are my higher end ones. I'm just gonna put them in here. I'm really happy with the way these turned out. So I'm just gonna put this down here for now. This is my brother's pencil. I'm gonna be repeating the process for my charcoal supplies as well as my pencil supplies. Hello again. It's been 2 days since I've seen you last. I'm feeling extremely exhausted today. I've been getting over a cold and I thought I had COVID. Turns out I have thrush. I don't know why my body is turning into a bakery, but here I am. I'm trying so hard to just... I'm so sick of seeing this freaking mess over here. I usually have so much energy. I feel like somebody needs to like electrocute me right now. Isn't this so cute? I got this back in San Jose and I love this so much because it's so me on the inside. Well, I have a really dark side, but I also have this really cutesy girly side. I'm a Gemini. What do you want me to do? I love this. This would actually be a good theme for a little art room, but it just doesn't match the rest of my house. Maybe for the bedroom I could pull it off. Imagine having guests over, they're gonna be like, are you fine? Like, what? I think this bin is so freaking cute. I'm gonna use this for my watercolor supplies. Yippers. Decoupage, love this stuff. Oh, look, The Secret. It's just hiding out in my paint collection. WD-40 spray, yeah, because that really goes with my painting supplies. It's great. I don't have any more freaking plastic bins left. Don't want to use this container that much. I would much rather take my acrylics and put them in something like this. But you know what? There's a little thing in life called just get over it. So I'm gonna put them in here. I was thinking about just lining them up inside of the cabinet, but I don't own this place. I don't want my lease to end and then have to sell a kidney just to pay them back. You know what? I actually don't hate this bin as much as I thought. It's kind of coming together and looking decent. I'm really sorry for you guys out there that would really like to see me clean all of my lids, but for one, I really don't have the energy, even if I wanted to right now. I really don't. Also, I work with paint in a really messy way. I go crazy, especially when I'm doing abstracts and I'm just going for it. So I don't feel like I'm gonna care if they're that dirty or not because I'm just a savage and I just But I will clean off my watercolor palettes because those are really bad. I think my Bob Ross is gone. You know what? Okay, so I completely changed my mind. I really didn't think I was gonna like this bin. It is kind of heavy because I have so much paint in there, but I don't know, I actually really like it. This is the container that I'm using specifically if you're interested. Oh, lunch break. Back from lunch, I love how I said back from lunch, like I actually went somewhere. I was scrubbing this and it's just not coming off, so did the best I could, just kind of cleaning those up. This final little section over here, I'm gonna use this as my space where I have, you know, my printer and just kind of like my technology type of stuff. It's the finale and I'm still not feeling good. I'm trying to dress nice for you guys, but I still don't feel good. But anyways, I want to show you guys around and share with you the final reveal of what this place looks like. Come on guys, let's go. So down here we have all of the organized little drawing supplies. I have them all stored away in my classic containers that I've had for years, and I love these so much. So I just, you know, as you saw in the video, I went through and I cleaned everything out, keeping some toilet paper there because I like to use it for blending. And then down here, this ended up just working out perfectly. And I did end up putting together some of these over here. So I have my ink supplies and all that good stuff. I have a really bad tendency to break my tips because I don't wash them enough. So I'm gonna try to not do that anymore. And yeah, have all of my just little colored pencils or my Prismacolors. Actually, these ones were my regular ones, but some of them I think are Prisma in there. And then I have my chalk pastels, which I don't use these a lot, but you know what? I recently made a drawing somewhere of outside my window. I was just practicing mountains, so that's fun. Little doodle. My little cotton swabs and all of anything that's considered a charcoal or a pastel of any sort is in here. I'm really happy with the way that this whole thing turned out. I think these plastic bins are your best bet. Definitely check out the dollar store though, because they probably have some really good deals. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's open it up and see what's going on in here. I have all of my paint. I can actually smell it just by opening this. So I have the paints over here. This all ended up working out. Oils are down there, just quarantined away from the world, because I don't want that in the air. So I just kind of have, you know, some pens back here in this spaghetti holder thing. I have all of these Artez pens that I haven't gotten around to using still in these little jars and containers. I don't know, there's something really playful about this shelf or just area. Makes me feel like I'm a kid again, which I love. So I just have my glitter, and then I have my crazy scissors back here, and then just filing and organizing stuff, my two little art books, and this is my YouTube book where I plan out ideas and such, and just my markers and stuff that I've had since I've been a kid. So very nostalgic. And my printer, because that's obviously really important, and the paper. Yeah. I'm gonna be updating this space periodically. I'm thinking I'm gonna put something on the back wall and some type of art piece or something like that, but we'll see. I'm not sure yet. So stay tuned. I'm gonna definitely be vamping this place up, and I would love to take you guys along the process, so make sure you're subscribed. Mwah.